Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is for my Facebook group. It is for our color challenge. Color challenge means you pick a color and you only make a pocket letter out of that color. So this month's color challenge was pink and blue. So I like flowers, so as you can tell. So these are all different shades of blue. I got a nice metallic paper in there. And this is my tape. And then there's pink underneath it. And what I did was I cut the flower. And then I used one of my split pins. And I put it through all layers of the flower. And then I put it through the plastic. So this flower is on the very front of the pocket letter. Because if you see here, this very end ring is too big for the pocket. So I can never use the bottom flower because it's too big, it wouldn't fit. So I'm like, put the flower on the front of it. And now I can use all the layers of the flower. And then this one, I did sparkly blue tape. I left a space tape, and then I put ribbon in the remaining spaces, and then I put this bright thick ribbon going this way, so it's like a weave pattern. So yeah, so this is on the front of the pocket letter. See, there's a split pin in there, so it kind of turns, and then I glued this flower right to the top of the split pin. So yeah, so I used all my die cuts. Now I had a very limited number of blue sparkle pieces. As I'm running out, I don't have any more, so I had to make a pattern so it worked. So this is just tape and ribbon and paper. So yeah, so I did the same reverse in pink. So yeah, so I did these flowers, and then I got my blue beads with my two blue feathers. I love the feathers. And hopefully nobody's allergic to them because they get bleached and then they get dyed, and so hopefully they're hyperallergenic, I guess you could say. Let's hope. Yeah, and then I got these cool flower clips from Dollarama. So I had a pink one left. Got lucky. This is my last pink one. So, and then I'll show you the back. So I got these pink butterflies from Dollarama. Then I got these sequined butterflies, Dollarama. Then I have some hearts left over from Valentine's Day. It was a huge package. I still got hearts left over. Now these are sparkly stars. I actually received these in another pocket letter. I'm not going to use them because they're too small for me. I'll just end up spilling them all over. So I thought, oh, those would be cool for the pocket letter. Then I have my tea in a blue package. This is my last blue package tea. And then I got these pink little hearts. That's from another pocket letter person. Then I bought paper clips, but I bought a multicolored pack, and I just went through and picked out the blue and pink ones. And then I got more these butterflies. See, you can see how I did the back with the tape and the ribbons and more tape to hold it. And then I got, these are Post-its, and these are like page Post-its. Those are pink, it's a dark pink. So yeah, got that. And then I put my pink on the back. And they're on pink and blue cards. So yeah. So I'll show you the front one more time. So yeah, that is my pink and blue flower pocket letter. Now I have to make one more. So I will make that one and I'll add it on. Also, I found this really cool file folder at Walmart. It is blue and it is sparkly, like super sparkly. So yeah, I found that also. I guess a file folder, duotang kind of thingy. Yeah, it's got the pockets and it's got the 3-hole punches because all the school supplies is out right now. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna put that in my pocket letter. I also got a pink one for the second pocket letter I'm making. And then I got my favorite gem stickers. So I normally put these in the birthday cards that I send. But yeah, I love these gem stickers. Aren't they so pretty? So yeah, so I'm also going to include that in this pocket letter. So yeah, and oh, on my pink pencils. I don't have any blue ones, so I got a pink one. So yeah, that's for this pocket letter, and yeah, I'll show you the next one. So this is the second pocket letter for pink and blue. So this one actually turned out quite different from what I originally planned. So I'll show you the front. And I wanted it different from the first one, which I think I did, but it's not what I had planned in my head. So I still like it, but it's not the original idea. So I got my feather and my beads here, and I got my sparkly tape, my flowers, put in with split pins. Now that's tape and 2 different types of ribbon. And that's ribbon and tape and my little butterflies. And then I printed these off for the Hello Dolly event, and I didn't end up using them, so I thought, oh, I'm going to use them now. I did do this a little bit backwards. I have the slits here. I should have had it flipped the other way, but I already had these attached and the flowers were already attached, so I couldn't go back. They weren't originally in my original idea. So yeah, so that's what I made for the front. And I'll show you the back. So I included some elephant die cuts, the pink and blue, my little sparkle butterflies that I got at Dollarama. I included my teddy bears. I included all my favorite die cuts. Then my new little kitty. That's just in the latest AliExpress video that I did. And there's my little gems. They're in the Dollarama video I just did. And those are emojis, pink and blue. Those are my little pink butterflies. There's some Post-its and some paper clips. More butterflies. And those are more Post-its. Post-its, yeah. So those were like page markers, and then those are normal note Post-its. So I included those, and then I got a little bit cutting happy, which I always do. So I cut way too many, so I thought might as well just give them to her. So I got pink and blue dinosaurs, butterflies, a little bee, my roses. That's my newest one. There's palm trees. They look really cool in the blue. My monkey and my dragons. Also, found this at Walmart. It's a shiny pink folder, so I thought that'd be cool. The other girl got a blue one, so lady got a blue one. So yeah, so this is cool. So I'm gonna send her a pink one. So yeah, so that are my pink and blue pocket letters. Later,